Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. It is so random. I so happened to be grocery shopping and I saw that there were so many great Christmas items inside of the store. So I just wanted to show you a walkthrough of what is at my local Aldi store. And at the end, I found the cutest Christmas little, I guess you can say, tradition that I'll start with my kids, and I'll show you that at the end. So stay tuned for all of that. If you're interested in videos like this, please subscribe, hit that notification button for more videos, and sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. This is so cute. I think I'm gonna do this with the kids, and I'm going to unbox it when I get home so you guys can see what's really inside of it. What other one they have? They have a superhero Marvel one. It's pretty loud in here, but I'm gonna get the Disney one. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. I have an idea I think I want to do with this, so I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna show you guys what they have inside. So yeah. Alright guys, so I have my food, I have my Christmas item that I'm purchasing, and I'm gonna go home and show you guys what is inside. So let's go. Hey guys, so I'm back home. As you can tell, this is such a random video. I'm not even camera ready. I don't have like my fancy background or anything like that. But yeah, I'm back home from Aldi's. How do you pronounce it? Do you pronounce it Aldi's or Aldi's? But I say Aldi's. Okay, so here it is. It's the 7-day Christmas countdown. So I'm gonna show you all. This is the back of it, and I'm gonna read it so that you all can you know, understand what it is. Okay, so it says, well, what's included is a 128-page customizable storybook treasury, one postcard from Santa, one sticker sheet for personalization, and one sticker sheet for your child. And it is in this like 10. However, okay, so it says you personalize the book using the sticker sheet provided. You add anything else you want to include on the 10. And then step 2, it says you lock the 10 and you store the key somewhere secret and safe. You turn the wheel back to 7, so you know when the 7 days till Christmas, and using there's a wheel that helps you to turn it. And then on step 3, it says on Christmas Eve, secretly add the key to 0 and turn the wheel back to 1. On Christmas Day, your child will turn the wheel to 0, find the key, and unlock the 10 to discover the gift inside. So basically, it's basically showing the kids that it's 7 days left for Christmas, and on Christmas Day, they'll have like a prize inside of it. But I think I'm going to do like the 7-day like gift idea for Christmas. So I'm going to see what's on the inside of this, and then I'll explain what I'm going to do. So I'm thinking of doing a little extra to this, but let's look inside and see what's in it. I mean, it was $10, so let's see. Okay, so I'm taking this off. Move the scissors out the way, and I may need to, I'm going to open it. Can't find my tripod. So I'm going to try to open it and show you guys what's inside, okay? Okay, so right here, there's the lock, and I'm pretty sure they have the key on the inside. I think this is the wheel, but I'll get into that. But we're gonna just open it. Okay, so there's the key. Okay, so let's see what it comes with. It comes with a little postcard. Okay, and it says, Merry Christmas. I can see you have been a very good, I can't read. It says, I can see you have been very good this year. And in return, here's a special book, which is a gift from me to you. I hope you enjoy the wonderful stories inside, which are full of your Disney friends. I hope your Christmas is magical. And if you keep being good, then I'll see you again next year. And it says from Santa Claus. You can always customize your own little postcard, but I thought this was really, really cute. And then it comes with a sticker sheet, and then another sticker sheet, Oh, I wasn't expecting the book. I was wondering why it was pretty heavy. I'm gonna try to, oh, there it is. Oh, and it's a nice thick book too. So it's Christmas stories, I think, or yeah, they're all Christmas stories. So I thought this is really cute. Really, really cute. So I can't wait to read that. Let's see how it works. And like I said, here's the key to lock it so your kids can't get into it. Just remember where you store the key. I would say that. And then you just lock it there. And here is the wheel so you can do the countdown. Okay, that's good. So I definitely feel like this is worth the $10. I don't know, what do you guys think? Yeah, so I think that's pretty cool looking at it this way, and I'm about to tell you guys my ideas with it as well, okay? All right, guys, so I have a little idea for this. I know the rules say that the kids get to open the gifts on Christmas, but I was thinking about doing like 7 days of Christmas, like 7 days of like little gifts or little ideas to get the kids excited for Christmas Day. So I was thinking that I will put like a little gift each day inside of it. So, you know, you already have some gifts already because you can use the book as one of the gifts. So this can be like day 7's book, and you can read a story a day because I think it's actually 9 stories. So you at least have your 7 stories there. So they can open up the 10 box, and then you can read a story at night. Tell them this is their Christmas book. And then day 6, there's stickers in here, so you can leave them some stickers, or like you can go to like Dollar Tree and they have some of the like cutest little stocking stuffers, or like Target little stocking stuffers that you can put inside of it each day. And I think that would be like really cute. You can like call it the Christmas Countdown Magic Box. So each day you hide it, and then they have to find it, and they can find out what Santa or yourself brought them for being good. So I think that would be really cute. So I guess, like I said, like day 7 could be the book. Day 6 could be some, I don't know, popcorn, and you watch a Christmas movie together as a family. Day 5 can be like maybe little cookie cutters, and you can bake cookies with the family. Just something to get the family excited. It keeps it fun. You can put a coloring book in here. I don't know if a coloring book would really fit, but you can maybe put some crayons in here and tell them it's for a coloring book. There is like so much you can do. Like, this is very exciting. I may show you a video of how like my kids react to this. We do have a tradition we do for Christmas Eve. So I may do this leading up to December 23rd, and then Christmas Eve we have our own tradition we do. So I think this is really good. Like, there are so many endless possibilities you can do with this 10, and like I said, it comes with a key, so you can really store it. If the kids find it, they can't open it. So yeah, you can put like Santa hats in it one day. There are so many things. You can put like little games in there. So, you know, make it fun. I thought this was really cute at Aldi's. Go to Aldi's. You saw in this video that there is so many different things that they have there. They always have great items other than food, but their Christmas section is really, really nice. And I'm pretty sure they have more coming out, or they may have different things at your Aldi's. I don't know how it works if every store gets the same exact items, but check your local Aldi's. It was just so random and just so necessary that it was there, because I found this Christmas countdown that I'm really excited about. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was just like so random, but I definitely wanted to show you because you guys like different things and different ideas, and I love showing you that, especially when it pertains to being on a budget. So I'm really excited. If this is something that you enjoy seeing, I have plenty more videos coming. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.